Hello everyone. Today's topic is resistance. In this topic, I will explain you what is resistance, type of resistance, that is series and parallel, and how to use one and more than one resistance, and how to find equivalence resistance. So let's start. What is resistance? Resistance is a measure of opposition of current flow in a electrical circuit. Basically, the resistance is used for opposing of flow of current. It is measured in ohms. The notation is this type. R is resistance here. Let's see the grouping. In grouping, there are two type of grouping. First, series and parallel. Let's first see series. In series, you can see resistance is added in this type. So if you want to find equivalence resistance of the series, then you will add directly the resistance, that is R and R, that is R plus R. But in parallel condition, if you see, this is parallel if you can see, this is a parallel condition. In R and both are in parallel. So for this, if you want to find equivalent resistance, for that the formula is 1 upon RQ. RQ is equivalent resistance, equal to 1 upon R plus 1 upon R. This is for 1. If you add here one more resistance, then you have to add one more R. If you add here one more resistance, then you will add one more resistance in similar way. So let's see some other things. Relation between voltage, current and resistance is created by a German physicist. V equal to IR is given by German physicist whose name is Geo Siemens Ohms. Let's see some examples how to solve equivalent resistance. You can see in this first one, this is series, so you can say the equivalent resistance is R plus R. In second, series and parallel both are there. So first you solve for series in this. So equivalent resistance is 2R for series, and after that parallel. So for parallel, R equivalent equal to 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon R. If you find this, then you will get the answer for second. And for third, first solve this series, then series. That is the final answer of this is both in parallel. So 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon 2R. And in this is a special case. I chosen this for especially to explain you, because in this type of problem so many people, so many students stuck how to solve this. This is very simple, but you can complicate this by adding this type more and more resistance. R. I'm explaining you for this part, then I explain you for first. You can see that R in AC, BC and AB are in series. So first solve for series, then parallel, then series, then parallel. This is alternative pattern of parallel, series, parallel. So you can solve easily. First solve for series, that is 2R, then parallel 2R, 1 upon 2R plus 1 upon R, then again series, then again parallel, series, parallel, parallel in this type. If you want to complicate, you can add more resistance here. So next, see this. This is very simple. First solve this one. This is parallel. So 1 upon R plus 1 upon R, that is R by 2. and 1 upon r by 2 plus r by 2 plus r in series, so r by 2 plus r directly you can add, so that is 3 r by 2. If you solve this, then you get 3 r by 2, and this line and this line in parallel, so 1 upon r equivalent equal to 1 upon r plus 1 upon 3 r by 2. If you solve, you will get the answer of 5th question. And in 6th one, first solve this one series, then all three in parallel, so you can use the parallel condition. In 7th, series, parallel, series. First use series, that is 2r, then 2r in parallel, so 1 upon 2r plus 1 upon 2r, that is the answer. And then for add is series condition, so add plus. This is last one and final. You can see, you first solve this because series, this is also in series. First solve parallel condition, then again series, then all three are in parallel, so you can use parallel, so you will get the answer. I hope this will help you to understand the resistance and how to find equivalent resistance. Thank you so much. Bye.